Good morning, children. Today you will learn about the electric torch. Let's see what this electric torch do. Actually, electric torch we give light, provide light to the area where there is no electric supply. In such a case, areas only the people are using these kinds of torches. And this nowadays, actually that time inside that metal case, in the torch, there you are all asking that you may ask like this that in the areas where there is no electricity, then how this torch work? Actually, we already learned the electric cells are there in that dry cells, right? That dry cells inside what is stored, that is the chemical paste, that is the electrolyte, right? So then they will when we switch on that time, there will be the chemical reactions occurs in between the electrical paste, chemical paste, then it produces the electricity, right? The chemical energy converted into electrical energy. That's what. So nowadays actually where there is electricity, there these kinds of torches are also there, and without the cell also it works. How? There will be at the back side, there will be the pin given that, okay. With that we can just charge the torch. Whenever there is electricity, we can charge with that one with the electric socket, and afterwards we can keep it. Then when there is the power cut or when there is no electricity, sometimes it will be happens now, that time we can use that electric torch, because we already charged that one and stored it. So the like the emergency lamp, like that only. Okay, now let's see the structure of the electric this torch. Okay, how it will be. Actually, in that outside there will be a case, metal case. Okay, that maybe we can say that plastic case also. Okay, this is the case. Okay, and here and here then outside the shape will be like this. Okay, this is the shape of the torch. Okay, and here also outside there will be a switch. That switch we have to move up and down. Okay, so if we are pushing to that side, it will go on, and again switch this side, then it, otherwise somewhere there will be the press also. Okay, button also there. With that also we can make the switch. Okay, that this is the switch, and this is the outer body. Okay, outer body made of plastic also. Okay, that which one is not passing the electricity, insulator. And then here inside we are putting the cells. Okay, cell, it is like this only, the cells, each cell, right? One side button like this. Okay, then there will be the positive and the negative terminals. This is one cell. If one more cell is connected with this is the negative side. Okay, then one more cell, the same size, one more cell you have to connect like this. Okay, that will be having the positive side here, and here the negative side. Then this metal cap also there on the top. Okay, this it should be touched with this. Okay, then only the electricity passes, because this is connecting from one to another. So if it is a positive one, then it should connect with the negative side of that. So if two cells are taking, then one cell positive side, then negative side, another is negative. This cell is positive, this cell is negative. It should connect in that way only. Okay, here let's see how it will be. This is the the electric cell. Okay, the electric cell, one cell kept here, and then again here this is the positive side, this is the negative side. Then one more bulb one more cell I am connecting here. Okay, this my torch, it is long, little bit long, so you can add one more cell here. Okay, so this this side will be the negative and this side will be the positive. Again I am connecting one more cell. Okay, so it came up to here. Okay, so here this is the negative, this is the positive. This way, number of cells if you are connecting, then what we will call it as, that will be battery. Okay, if single one, then we call it as a cell. If two or one or that means two or more number of cells adding, then it will be called as a what, a battery. Okay, so this is what are the batteries only. Clear? Now see how it will be connected. Okay, so this side you see, it will be connected with the bulb. Okay, so here you can see that bulb how it is. Like that. Okay, bulb collected. Now see, then here when then it's a one side coming like this, right, connected with the switch here, because this metal case only, right, connecting. So connected here, then another one wire coming, connecting through that and connecting to this side. See here, in coil form, touching here, connecting here. Okay, so this way it should be connected, so that when we switch on, then the electricity passes. Okay, clear? Now see, when we switch, this is actually very small bulb. In the torch we are keeping very small bulb. So if you are on the daytime, if you are switch on, then you cannot see that much light over there. Then inside the dark room, if you are seeing, then you can see the visibility. Okay, otherwise at night if you are to switch on, then you can see that much light will be come over there, because, and that also see, if it is providing the light, when it gives the light, we wanted to see somewhere else, focusing some place. Okay, outside if we are going or we are searching something, then we will focus on the particular area. That area we must get the more light. Then how it will be? When we switch on this, that time the light here, one reflector connected. Okay, so that reflector is connected over here. So full area the light comes like this. Full area you can see the light. So because, and it glows also, because it reflect and giving the light. So that full area, that much place we will get the light. Understood? And see, when sometimes if we are switch on, then also the light is not coming, then maybe because of some reasons, then you have to first see, open, this is the case. Okay, from here only you have to open the torch. Okay, back side. Here also there, here, but mostly we are not opening, but because it opens means this everything will be displaced, move here and there. Okay, so that it is only for checking the bulb. Otherwise we, if there is bulb is fused, then only. Otherwise from the bottom we have to unscrew this. Here will be screw, so unscrew that cape, then you remove it. Then what happens, these cells will come out. Okay, these cells come out, and you just see that sometimes the cells are dead. Dead means inside what is stored, the chemicals only, right? Chemicals stored. That chemicals if continuously used means it will be exhausted, right? Then that finished off that chemical. Then we have to, that also be sometimes see how we will come to know that some leakage will be coming from the back side of this, brownish color of leakage comes out. That time we may know that this is already finished, now we can't use this one. Okay, then we have such cases, then what we have, then such cells what we will sell, dead cells, because it is already the chemical fully used off. Then remove those cells from here and then replace it with the new one. Then it will glow. Okay, then afterwards also, if it is not glowing, then you have to see whether you put the cells inside properly or not. If you put this one, the negative side here, positive side here, and the another cells positive side here and negative side there, then it will not work. Positive to positive, it will not work. Okay, so positive to negative only, that also you have to, there in each cell, if you open and see, you can see it, it marked like this, the positive sign and the negative sign marked over there. According to that, you have to set it. Then again here also the opposite symbols. Okay, then it should connect with the bulb. Okay, then it means it is okay. Then if it is this already I said bulb, then bulb also check it whether here it is water, the filament. Okay, what is there in that, the filament which is made of tungsten kept over there, that filament also you have to see whether it is broken or not. If it is broken, then it will not work. Okay, otherwise it will work in this way. Then when we switch on, when we push this switch, that time the this wire will be connected, this too thick wire coming now, that will be connected with the this one and then passing the electricity. Okay, this way you can use this, whether it is switch. If you don't want that time, again you have to switch off and keep it, otherwise it will this chemical paste inside will be finished off. Okay, this way the electrical switch work. Understood this one? The reasons, that means see the proper connection of the proper arrangement of the cells inside the torch. And the second one, you have to see whether the bulb is fused or not. Okay, and the third case, whether the cells are dead or not. These three things you have to keep in mind, then it will work. Okay, understood children? I hope you understood this chapter well. Thank you. Have a nice day.